Welcome. In front of me is a OPPO F11, and today I'll show you how you can record screen on this phone. So to get started, you'll want to open up content that you wish to capture, and then swipe down whatever it is that you want to record. Swipe down from the top of your screen. This will bring down your toggles and reveal the screen recording toggle. You can click on it, agree to anything that will show up. This will only show up once. And allow, and it gives you this overlay. Now from here we can start recording. Actually gives us an info what each button does, so I'm just gonna click, and now it should start recording. You can see you can also pause from here. Now you can open up application that you wish to capture. You can also close whatever you have open, and this won't stop the screen recording. So let's just say I'm going to open up settings and then resume recording, and I will then close it, and you can see that later on the video recording. Once you're done, you can stop the screen recording by clicking on the red square, and this will automatically save your screen recording to your Photos application. There we go. And you can see there's only one. Now it is labeled as camera for some reason, so that means that you will find your screen recordings in cameras and possibly even videos. And you can see it right now playing back. Now in the settings, by default the device comes with the little indication where you're pressing the display enabled, so that's what that dot is. It's basically where my finger was touching the display, but just know you can turn that off. And one more info is, when you're recording your screen, sometimes you might encounter applications that block the screen recorder. So if you try to record such an application, you will end up with having a black screen as a recording. And just note that there's nothing you can do about this. If you find such an application, there is no setting for you to change to be able to record it. Possibly maybe just having a root access. There is one thing that I did actually recently figure out I could do, which is run a VM on your phone, install that said application through a VM, and then just record the screen. VM allows recording of the screen, so even if the application doesn't, VM should be able to see it, hopefully. I haven't tested it out myself, but it should hopefully work. Anyway, with that being said, hopefully you found this very helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.